Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are joining me this moment. My name remains Madoka Nebi, Ochikodi Bono one, in case in Alibo Nine, Abumoya Akumazi Omocha. Omi Fenjibia, no Geketa. I think I'll go down to my dialect. Omi Henji Mekebia, Onu woman in the Ian Wijiju na home. Afamu we Mamado, Akumazi Go. Ebi Akumazi going sugar. Ian Chori Mono Mano. Onwo kundome no naga okundome no nwenishi yentiti no nwenishi one onye ono meni no mani hu ezioku and is a promoter of truth suppose manene ni ekwande Ibaki ila akwa wo a just cry na just in we tell him na kwame kwa wanji were ekuyeni but a lot of things in the one now what you can say ngwe ajo enyiwa wonde ka webe we ime ihe gbasara Igbo now when we ka when we kwale when we nurture which is one when we hear ala when we the many when oyi when we oka when we di when we soka when we kwabo ezeago when we nkalagu when we nkano ebe Abia State when we different but in all of this, any child Igbo. Now, Kim Haudo, many one day can anyone there so be Delta, most especially an area Delta North. Okay, many in some Bukai home, Imokuni. I not going to any child, only one money and any child. But only decided any propaganda could carry a follow. What we stand to get? Okay, let me just ask this simple question. For how many years now carry on this particular track of trying to make a point? What is that point? What have we been able to achieve? Let us look at the strength, the how much time we have invested and how much propaganda we have invested in all of this. Now, what is our payback? What is that in woman in the all along women in 18 the truth is that nani name any now look at the game. Una wale ngono wa bokowa. Una wangono wa kuefa the CBN governor then. Ngumawe. And one or two issues in that question where how whether end up. Why? They have made themselves a minute, a place where suppose corona saw their right. Even on top that they are messing up. Now we cook now ndi bini name ndi Ibaki. Not only Ibaki, you just can't say Ibaki ko yo bona ekpo ne kikani, onye obona na ekwu okwu kikani because ndi Ibaki do be na ekwu eni na wa kumoku na ihe ni na na odi enough. There are other communities so many ndeka wasobia when Charlie within that Edo state, all of them are living in fear. Ka unu women unu the Delta state, unu they live in fear. And all it too funny. All it too funny that as you are now, anyone who they claim you know champion. There are people who sit one end, determining no kunu kejibi ndono. Because when you channel we make this argument in any lendi when yellow one and then when back yellow one. Onu channel live in fear. You know the truth. But the actual point is kumu ejoku. Uja toy, uja na toni. Uja na toni. Uja toy. Why are you afraid? To me, any level the market channel where jail within the bini, I'm with them. I'm with them. I will give them a counsel. Not only giving counsel, I will join them and work that counsel out. What we need is total liberation. This a modern day slavery is unacceptable. You can't keep enslaving a certain people. This century, yeah, this is 2025, and now they are 1932. A lot of things they take ownership women in it. We are, we don't need to be subjected to anything. And I watching the political position and the environment, the cloud, the political cloud. Who can really do this way? We should know what to do. We should know what to do. Nobody should decide for you or neither decide for me. So champion was ever. I am one of the key champion, pusher of this animal state creation. Most of you know. I am also one of the key of this unification of Ndibo. And I have waited. And I'm even still waiting. No phone, no be a one phone. Number more available everywhere. Or reach out to me, saying when they hear not supposed to like this. Give me your own opinion. Let's talk about the reason why I'm in what I'm doing. Talk to me. Let us stop killing what's supposed to be beneficial to us. Now, one day come now. Cool, is Jakunu Jella and one now. A low kukunu kwele, ne support to Kunu Yella and one day back up to this moment. Omeno bi mulede o bi akomaze. O bi owa, o bi abavu, o bi mbili. Any one of these one a suspended. Obo Benin the letter is not going. Also, Obo Benin the letter. Let it be government. Will your community keep quiet? Obeno Biunuke governor that said he suspended from being OB. Not to talk of a Oba national not suspend the OB. What is wrong with us? After all, why will you say Ibaki is Igbo? That is what you people are after. Why will you say Ibaki is Igbo? Why will you say Ibaki is Igbo? Even you that is arguing that no food for sure that anyone only Igbo. But you are claiming this is how will I put it now? No Igbo can karaoke for this. Is a self-denial. Self-denial. And most of us act on hearsay. Hearsay, no, as a normal human being, suppose I kick on no. You don't scrutinize your home, but you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. All what you want to do, Igbo, but everything you do shows that you are nothing but Igbo. I have explained this thing time without number. That the word Igbo belongs to nobody, but it's a word that has come to unify every one of us. I've given series of explanation to this. Okay, for now, Obiabo is ne Kaila and then Deka. No one has a Deka in the Abok. No Africa language, in our language. So it's quite unfortunate that most of you are not even fighting for the wellness of Ibaki. You are not even bothered about what they are like. You are not even bothered about what they are going through. All what you are trying to protect is that propaganda that has kept you the way you are. What are you denying? Nobody is taking your land. Nobody is imposing anything. But we are looking at the situation as far as the country is concerned. Our survival lies in our unity. Our survival, it lies in our unity. So if you fight against the unity that we are working on, it simply means you are the enemy of the people. You are one of the enemy of the people. We're already out. We are not fighting Benin, neither are we fighting Edo State. But we want to put a recognition to some things and to some fact. Ibaki being part of Edo State is not a crime. But what is crime is the level of marginalization that is going on there, and the level of treatment, inhuman treatment that the citizen and indigenes of Ibaki receive from Edo State, most especially from that Orion local government. Standing out in a state as a different ethnic group shouldn't be a kind of a means of denying them their benefit of democracy and governance. That somebody will come up to have his state of origin certificate because his name is Uche Ishoma. You deny him that right or having that document as an indigenous and as a citizen of that state. Yet, you are still laying claim on the person. Ibaki is out for their total liberation. And I am even talking about Ibaki being a local government of their own. Somebody will say, what is wrong with this boy? But watch out. Only our local government should stand on its own. Let Ibaki stand on their own. Until I come your way again, we not send. Your propaganda will not push us out of the way, but rather we keep giving you what you didn't know that it exists. Ibaki is not Benin. Abundi Igbo. Until I come your way again, thank you.